Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to have a group discussion on global warming. Basically, we will talk about the effects of global warming. Before we begin, I think we should first of all know what is global warming. Global warming is the rise in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the effects of gases like carbon dioxide, deforestation, or the smoke that is produced due to the burning of fossil fuels.
Very well explained, Ragini. Raja, would you like to add to the effects of global warming?
Talking about the effect of global warming, we are facing more droughts and heavy rainfall.
Very well said. Yes, Anushka, what are your views about the melting of the glaciers?
The glaciers are melting. The North and the South Pole have started melting, due to which the level of the water have increased in the seas and oceans.
Now when the North Pole and the South Pole is melting, do you think the polar bears are also getting affected?
It's because of us. The poor polar bears are losing their homes.
Well said. Yes, Rani, would you like to add to any effect of global warming?
Due to rise in water level, disruption of habitats can cause many animals and plant extinction.
Very well said. Yes, Lakshmi, would you like to add something about the weather conditions due to this global warming? Is the weather conditions becoming very warm or is it becoming very cold?
Climate change is another very big issue. Irregular weather patterns have already started. There is an increase in temperature which leads to more evaporation, which leads to more rainfall, and therefore plants may die, animals will migrate, and the entire ecosystem will be out of balance.
Very true. Yes, Praveen, when the plants will die, what do you think will happen?
Global warming also affect the crops, as the increased temperature will make it difficult for the plant to survive, and the plants are the major source of food for us. This can cause shortage of food.
Well said. Now when there is going to be decrease in the number of plants, what do you think, Anshu, will happen to carbon dioxide?
Due to the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, there are more number of wildfire. This makes life difficult for the wild animal.
Very true. It's because of us that everybody is going to suffer. Yes, Gayatri, would you like to add something to this?
As the temperature rises more and more, humans will face more diseases as the bacteria and viruses are most active in humid temperature.
Very true. Ruchi, would you like to state any example?
Just 5 days ago, I was loaded with a sweater, inner jacket, and my monkey cap. But due to this sudden rise in temperature, I jumped from my woolen pants to my shorts very soon. It's a global warming.
Yes, this is because of global warming. Shivani, would you like to add something?
Due to the rise in carbon dioxide, it will become difficult for us to breathe.
Yes, it's going to be very difficult for us to breathe. Geeta, what about you? What are your views about global warming?
If the food change, ecosystem, wildlife, everything is in danger. I'm sure human life is also in danger.
Yes, we are also going to face danger. So what should we do about this? Should we think of a solution? Yes, Anushka, what would you like to say about this? Should we think about a solution or should we go on in the same manner?
We should reduce the appliances which emit out the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
Yes. What type of appliances?
Refrigerator, air conditioner, cooler, etc.
Yes, that's true. Any other solutions from any other students? Yes, Ragini.
We should reduce the excess usage of electricity.
Very good. Well said. Anybody else wants to add to some solutions? Yes, Ruchi.
We should use windmill to produce electricity.
rather than burning fossil fuels. Okay, rather than burning fossil fuels, we can use the natural renewable source like the windmill. Yes, Gayatri?
We should plant more and more trees.
Very true. Anything else? Yes, Shivani.
We should stop deforestation.
Yes, we should stop deforestation. Yes, Raja. We should use renewable and natural resources. That was indeed a very good session of group discussion. Thank you, class.